Yes, because we don't have drills like this back in the Philippines. We just have earthquake drill, but about missiles, so it's quite like alarming to read about that, and then yeah, quite nervous.
Actually, there's a lot of issues here. China wants to claim Taiwan, but the exercises between the U.S., Japan, France, Great Britain, they are very, we are very secure. We're very, we are not worried because we are secure. You know that.
现在社会这么乱，我觉得很多事情是无法预期的，所以能做好任何万全的准备，其实也是有必要的。所以大家能尽量配合，有这样的危机意识，知道如果真的发生需要怎么做的话，至少自己心里有个准备。当然是希望世界和平，希望这样的事情不要发生，但是总是知道要怎么去行动。如果真的发生的话，对我们也是好的。